Magandang araw at isang makasaysayang araw sa inyong lahat. I am Jasper Lopez, the next presenter. Ngayong araw ay halina't tumako na tayo sa panibagong talakayan, which is Philosophical Background of Social Studies. Tatalakayin natin dito kung ano nga ba ang naging background o naging ambag ng pag-aaral ng Araling Panlipunan o Social Studies dito sa ating bansa. At dagdag pa dito, tatalakayin din natin dito kung ano nga ba ang kahalagahan ng pag-aaral ng asignaturang Social Studies. Number 1. Social studies is taught because they build social understanding, teach critical thinking, and provide students with an understanding of their role as cities in a democracy. The democratic requires that citizens take an active role in their future, which social studies can understand to do. Sa madalit salita, ang pag-aaral ng social studies ay hinuhubog ang kaalaman at pangunawa pagdating sa ating lipunan. At dahil nga ay tayo ay nasa demokrasyang gobyerno, kinakailangan na magkaroon tayo ng papel at maayos na pakikitungo sapagkat para na rin ito sa kinabukasan ng ating lipunan. Second, Thomas Jefferson the importance of learning about history by saying the vitality of a democracy was wholly dependent upon the participation of each citizen and the education that they had received. Social studies is a study of history and the people, countries, instead countries that have been enacted. Sinasabi ni Thomas Jefferson or according sa kanya ay mahalaga ang pag-aaral ng social studies pagdating sa kasaysayan. And also, social studies ay isa sa pinag-aaralan dito ay kung paano susundin ang patakaran ng lipunan sa isang bansa. In social studies classroom, students are often taught in ancient history, modern history, and current history. It is important that the social studies class use active lessons to teach students how best to process and think about what they are learning. This is a big difference between active learning, which is hands-on and hands-on, and also passive learning. So napakadali namang intindihin. Sinasabi dito na sa mga mag-aaral ng social studies ay mahalagang malaman nila at kinakailangang maturuan sila kung ano nga ba ang mga nangyari sa sinaunang kasaysayan, modernong kasaysayan at kasalukuyang kasaysayan. Bakit? Sapagkat upang maging mulat sila sa nangyari sa ating kasaysayan. Pagdating naman sa kaalaman o pag-aaral ng isang mag-aaral o bawat mag-aaral ay may iba't iba silang estilo pagdating sa pag-aaral. Meron silang tinatawag na minds-on, hands-on at passive learning. So yun lamang po sa aking part and I hope na meron kayong natutunan sa aking talakayan. Thank you so much po. At para sa pagpatuloy ng ating talakayan, naririto si Mr. Jopet Lailo upang pagpatuloy ang talakayan. Maraming salamat po.
Good day everyone, my name is Jopet Lailo. Let's talk about the philosophical background of social studies in the Philippines, which I will discuss as a continuation of what Mr. Lopez covered. Social studies is essential as it teaches students key concepts in culture, economics, and politics, helping them become informed and productive citizens. It focuses on understanding social dynamics and how the world operates. This slide is all about the social studies is important because it helps students understand culture, economics, and politics, preparing them to be informed and active citizens in society. Understanding society faced is crucial to students of all ages. Social study encompasses key elements of the humanities and social sciences, providing a foundational knowledge of history, government, and economics, necessary for informed citizenship and future voting. This slide is all about the social study is vital for all students as it covers essential aspects of society including history, government, and economics. This knowledge is necessary for informed citizenship and responsible voting. Example, social study is learning about the U.S. Constitution, which teach students about the government structure, citizens' rights, and the importance of civic participation in democracy. Social studies are crucial for teaching foundational values like justice and equality. For young students, the focus is on community engagement, such as fostering neighborhood relationship and responsibilities, like recycling, understanding history, influence on the modern world equips students with knowledge applicable to various subjects and everyday life. Social studies means teach key values like justice and equality, focusing on community engagement for young students. This includes understanding neighborhood, relationships, and responsibilities, while also highlighting how history shapes the modern world.